First ball. Wala. Steal by Jai. Bonita, nagmamadali. Here comes Jai. Block. Oh.
Here comes Jai. Block.
Oh, that's an out of bounds. Good defense for CSA. Number 24, 26. Umatake. What a strong move. Naitawid ang CSA. Here comes Budrani. Kick out. Oh. At may sagot ang CSA. Tabla tayo sa 8. Jai. Bonita. Steal by number 13. Uy, naitawid. Libre sa kabila. At nakashoot na nga ang CSA. Change favor. Lamang ulit ang CSA. And 12 in favor of last. Too strong. Rebound by Budrani. Pass to number 26. Uy, walang tawag. Good. 21 to 12. Bola ng CSA. Ayun na. Nagmamadali. Number 26. Ooh, it's a foul by Balahadia. 2 shots for Santos. Number 26. First shot is good. Okay, sorry po. Time remaining 6 minutes and 17 seconds. Basket. 4-3 short. Rebound. Balahadia. Miss. Centeno fadeaway shot. Miss again. But this time, kuha na. Uy. Naipit ata. That was rare. Ayun na. Oh. Timeout. Official timeout for Balahadia. Well, CSA. Budrani. Pass to number 8. Budrani from elbow 3, no good. Rebound, number 26, and score. 23 and 19. Good. Rebound ang CSA. Outlet pass. Running shot, using the glass, and score. Second shot, Yao missed. Rebound ng CSA. Number 26, floater missed. Another offensive rebound. Oh, steal by Joaquin. Pass to Jai. Bonita ni Yoyo sa ere. Wala. Rebound. Ayun na ang CSA. Outlet pass, still munti ka na magawan. Number 26 and 1 by jersey number 26. That is Santos. Pass to Jai. Jai, spin move. Short, rebound by Budrani. Outlet pass to Santos. Santos nagbabalali. Ayan na, derecho. Oopsie. Time na daw po. Ano ba sabi sa ating official? Ayan, shoutout po to all the parents. Especially to our Lasal Green. Number 12. To Santos. Basket. Uy. Spin move. Abelion steal by Santos. Bola ng CSA. Ayan na, matake. Miss. Rebound. Santos. Bodrani. Fake. Jump shot. Bang! 35-45. Bang Lasal. Gets that rebound! 3-point! At may sagot. Oy! Nakasagot si Santos din sa kabila. Time out. Lasal or si Bakuli. Teo, bad pass, steal. Here comes Santos. Santos!
Santos.
Oh!
Ayan
Ah. What a nice game para sa CSA or College of San Agustin of this matchup. Alright.